Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools: a T10 Torx screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. You'll also need a clean workspace to lay out the components. Start by unplugging the vacuum and removing the battery pack. Use the T10 Torx screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the base of the vacuum cleaner. There are 4 screws that need to be removed. Keep them in a safe place. Next, carefully detach the main body from the base. This may require some gentle prying with the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Once separated, you'll see the motor housing secured by additional screws. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws. This will give you access to the internal components. If you're unsure about any step, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, providing expertise to guide you through the process. After removing the screws, take out the old motor. Before installing the new motor, take a moment to clean the internal area. A can of compressed air works well to remove dust and debris. If you feel this task is overwhelming, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. We make it easy, so you don't have to worry about calls or travel. Now, position the new motor into the housing. Ensure the connectors align correctly. Once in place, secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tight but avoid over-tightening, which can damage the motor. Reattach the main body to the base, ensuring all clips are properly engaged. Then, replace the battery pack. Before you start the vacuum, double-check that all components are securely fastened. If you're uncertain about the repair process or need assistance, remember we provide a quote before repair, allowing you to make informed decisions without any pressure. Finally, plug in your Dyson SV22 and test the vacuum. Listen for any unusual sounds and check the suction power. If everything works smoothly, you've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.